Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa another reading, and this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano po yung mensahe na ating pong mababasa para sa iyo, Aqua. Unclear. This isn't goodbye. Twin flame. Bottom niya is you're my soulmate. Wow. Okay, Aqua. So something is not clear. No, definitely unclear. I don't know how I feel about this connection anymore. Pero hindi maliwanag. This isn't goodbye. I don't want to walk away, but it's what's best for me and us right now. This isn't goodbye. We will be together again soon. And twin flame, you activated my soul to find my true purpose and destiny in life. You helped me heal in ways no one else would. Thank you for finding me again this time around. Okay, so you might be dealing, baka yung ibang Aquarius is dealing with their twin flame. So ito yung message nyo for that. Now, yung dito, yung nasa likod na cards is you are my soulmate. It must be written in the stars because you most definitely are my destiny. We belong together. Okay, so yung soulmate and twin flame, di ba may similarity? Kasi kung ba meron ka ditong soul connection, sinabi mo na nung time na kinuha ni God yung soul mo at hinati sa dalawa, that you made that agreement with the other soul that you two will be made to be each other. Na kayong dalawa, no? Pang ever. Every lifetime, kung kailangan makita na makita, para magkaroon nga ng union, gagawin niyo yun. Because that is what you have signed for. Kung gabay yung tipong ito yung inagree ko bago tayo naging tao sa lifetime na to. Kaya, if in case you are not having this union sa lifetime na to, dahil yung reason is the other person is already committed, it could be the other person committed or both of you are committed, kaya hindi possible yung union. So, it is saying na it isn't goodbye, hindi pa naman totally paalam. Kasi sinasabi dito, this isn't goodbye, we will be together again soon, diba? So, yung sinasabi niya dito, magkikita muli ulit kayo kasi sabi ko, every lifetime nga, diba? Kung kailangan balik kayo sa bawat lifetime para lang to work it out yung relationship. Kasi ang twin flame nga is hindi kayo sabay hindi kayo sabay na nagre-reincarnate. One is usually nauuna, the other one is being later na reincarnate after how many years. So dun pa lang may age difference na. Tapos dun pa lang makikita mo na possible talaga yung person mo, yung ka-twin flame mo, magkakaroon talaga ng ka-relationship. Unless talagang, I think, yung sinwerte kayo na itong lifetime na to na pareho na kayong available o hindi pa kayo nag-asawa. You're really meant to be na magkita itong lifetime na to be together. Yung ganong scenario. So, hindi pa talaga siya goodbye. It's just really, mabuti na nagkakilala kayo kung na-meet mo na siya. And then, it is just really letting your person know na we will meet again. No? Magkikita at magkikita pa rin tayo. And then, what is not clear is, kung hindi yun yung naiintindihan itong twin flame, no, there are so many ways to find out kasi you could always Google it. Maraming mga opinion doon and some have even written about it. Yung mga tao talaga nakapag-experience nito, you could read about it. So they would be explained to you in a much clearer way. Yung sa akin is just a gist kasi napakalaking o napakalawak na discussion ang twin flame. So, if you cannot understand what it is, then I suggest that you try to do your own research para malaman nyo rin kung ano yun. But it is definitely something to do with a soul connection. Yung meron kayong agreement na dalawang kaluluwa have an agreement to be together in a certain lifetime. Okay? Now, tingnan natin kung ano yung mapipick up natin sa tarot para sa'yo, Aqua. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Eight of Wands, the Hermit, the Moon, and the Page of Swords. Bottom niya is the Eight of Pentacles. Aqua, yung Eight of Pentacles po kasi is all about working towards your goals, no? Yung gusto mong ma-achieve na tina-target mong goal. Okay, so tingnan natin na and itong goal na to is really something that you have wished for. Yung gusto mo talagang matupad. Something that is totally, kung gabay parang nakaka-burden na sa'yo. Ang wini-wish mo is maalis, no? Maalis yung burden na yon. Kung ano man ito. No, you wanted na mabago na, a change. Yung burden. Something to do maybe with work. Kung bakit you feel so burdened or stressed. Kasi talaga naman nakaka-stress ang ating mga trabaho, di ba? Kahit na sabihin natin na nasa clerical job ka lang, nakaka-stress pa rin yun. No, may level of stress pa rin ang nakaakibat sa ganong klaseng trabaho. What more kung ikaw yung management, no? Ikaw yung nasa management, ikaw yung boss, ikaw yung may-ari, ikaw yung presidente ng kumpanya, napakalaking stress nun. Kasi ikaw yung nagpapatakbo ng kumpanya. Kung paano mo to sisiguraduhin na kumikita at nakakapagpasweldo ka tuwing 15 at 30 sa mga tao mo. Yun yung importante dun eh. At saka syempre yung produkto mo o yung services, kung ano man yung pinagninegosyo mo, lumago, no, to grow. As mas makilala ka pa ng yung kumpanya mo. So, yung stress na to, maybe that is what you've been trying to, wanting na mawala, mabawasan o maalis. Kasi you've been working very hard, you know, and you wanted na mabawasan man lang yung stress na yun. Okay, so, first card mo dito is the Wheel of Fortune. Alam mo, Aqua, ito yung nagsasabi na nung nakaraan, gusto mong baguhin eh. May gusto kang baguhin o mabago sa nangyayari sa'yo noon. Maybe because hindi ka masaya, o because tingin mo you deserve more. Kaya you wanting change. You wanting that change. Now, yung challenge is something to do with communication. Yung pag-uusap. Hindi siguro naging madali o kulang sa pag-uusap. Now, yung nangyari is nag-isip ka, no? You thought about it. You kept yourself alone, no? Isa ka muna, nag-iisip-isip ka mabuti. Yung inano mo yung sarili mo. Kung gaba parang hindi ka muna nakipag-socialized, you keep yourself away from anybody else and just being by yourself so you could think. Para ka makapag-isip mabuti at makakagawa ng isang very logical decision. Because what you wanted is to know exactly yung mga bagay na hindi mo alam. Kasi with the moon, this is something na you're not familiar about. Hindi ka pamilyarado, hindi ka sigurado, may mga parang hindi mo alam pa, no? And intention mo is alamin. And gusto mo kasi is yung makuha, yung katotohanan. To learn the truth, to learn everything that needs to be learned about pagdating dito sa sitwasyon mo. So we will clarify kasi medyo everything is still parang nakahang, no? Everything is not clear. Bakit andito yung Wheel of Fortune? Dito yung Wheel of Fortune. We have the 8 of Swords, the Chariot, and the 3 of Wands. Yung gusto mong mabago, Aqua, is something to do with you having that clarity para magkaroon ng kaliwanagan and movement. Well, that you want clarity so you can move forward, that decision to move forward sa mga bagay na iniintay mo, things that you've been waiting for, waiting to happen. You know, you wanted to move forward. Gusto mo umusad, no? But you cannot do it without you first having that clarity. So, hindi mo makita yung kaliwanagan na yun eh. Pakiramdam mo may nag-hold sa'yo. No, you cannot move. Parang diyan ka na lang. Naka-tie down ka. But what you wanted is movement, no? Paggalaw. So, yung paggalaw is change, no? Kung gaba sa gulong, umikot yung gulong. Umikot sa bagay na iniintay mo. So, maybe we clarify. Bakit andito yung 3 of Wands? Bakit andito yung 3 of Wands? Something to do with equal give and take. Yung patas na pagbibigay at pagtatanggap. Maybe before, walang ganon, no? Yung, sabihin na natin na hindi nabibigay yung nararapat para sa'yo. Now, bakit andito yung 8 of Wands? Bakit andito yung 8 of Wands? We have the Lovers, the Magician, and the Star. Wow, puro major arcana. So, ano ba yung naging problema nun? Yung communication. Problema yung communication, yung maraming pag-uusap tungkol sa relationship nyo. Dahil you were manifesting, both of these are manifestation. Pinagdarasal mo pareho, no? You're both praying and wishing for this relationship. I think you're wishing for you to meet your soulmate, no? Ito, para ma-meet mo yung soulmate mo. I think that's what you've been manifesting. Kasi the card of the Lovers is also saying na parang ito yung aking soulmate. Ito yung aking the one. And you've been manifesting about it. When you wishing that sana makita ko na siya. Magkaroon na kami ng communication. Maybe that's what you've been waiting for. No, ba't andito yung Hermit? Ba't andito yung Hermit? We have the Page of Cups, the Hangman, and the Ten of Wands. Pinag-iisipan mo to, yung offer of love na natanggap mo. You wanted to see if there's any other perspective about this. No? Kaya ka nag-isa eh. Kaya mo inalis yung sarili mo sa ibang tao, or you kept yourself away from everybody else kasi you wanted to think about this offer of love that you receive. Kasi sa ngayon, you see it to be a burden. Pakiramdam mo, burden siya. Yung gabay yung timing is off. Hindi siya nararapat pa. Wala ka pang panahon. Hindi ito yung oras. No? Do you see na oo, may potential, but you feel that there's so much on your plate na wala kang time, na this is not my priority at the moment. Kasi maybe you're concentrating on your work, what you're doing, kung ano man to, business or sa job. So, wala eh. That's why you're trying to take things on a different perspective, no? Sa ibang prospekto. Para makita mo lahat-lahat, no? Bago ka gumawa ng isang matinding desisyon. Now, bakit andito yung Moon? At andito yung Moon? We have the King of Cups, the Death, and the Four of Wands. What you don't see, no? Ang isang bagay na hindi mo alam o hindi mo nakikita is how much you love this person, or how much this person loves you. And this person is willing to change everything for you para matupad yung twin flame. This is a twin flame card. 11-11. Yung twin flame, to yung plano to be together, to be in union. No? Ito yun. Hindi mo nakikita na yung person mo is handang-handa siya na baguhin lahat para mag-head kayo towards this union na to. Ako, you might be dealing with a Pisces, no? Or Scorpio. Now, bakit andito yung Page of Swords? We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. Well, di ba, you really wanted to know exactly kung ano yung outcome nito o yung katotohanan, because you want stability. You want to make sure na talagang magiging okay itong offer of love na to. Maliit man siya, but still alam mong seryoso, and you don't want any regret pagdating dito sa pagtatanggap o pag heading towards this relationship. Yun lang naman eh, ayaw mong mag-regret, ayaw mong magkamali. Kaya nga nagiging very cautious about this. Kung ba nagmamatsyag ka dito eh. You're looking, spying, trying to see kung ano na. Because you wanted that stability, you want to make sure that everything is secure, stable, grounded, and no regrets at all. Yung somebody na talagang seryoso sa akin. Na-meet na ba ni Aqua tong twin flame niya? He said yes. It's an earth sign, Aqua. The King of Pentacles. Huh? Nandito yung Queen eh. So, you're a match, no? Kung ba, oo, na-meet mo na to. Could be a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Na-meet mo na siya. Kaya mga siguro nga, kung ba parang pinag-aaralan mo mabuti kung ito na ba, but you seem to be, having difficulty kasi, you're having difficulty kasi for you, it's not the right time. Hindi ito yung tamang oras. Kino-question mo pa lahat eh. Everything is being questioned. Ito ba yung lifetime na magiging inyo nyo na kayong dalawa? Yung ka-twin flame? It's supposed to be yes. Ito yung panahon na magkakaroon na kayo dapat ng new beginning. Kung committed na yung person mo o yung twin flame mo, ikaw ang committed, Aqua, there must be something that would happen na mag-change nga, no? The Wheel of Fortune is here. So, babaguhin niya yung takbo ng sitwasyon para matupad ito. Kailan yung timing nito? Oh, it says next year. Yun yung timing niya, next year. It gives you time pa to think about this or work on it. And ano yung message? Be in the present and dream of the future. When we dream, everything is possible. So, the present moment is, yan, no? Yung nangyayari ngayon. And the future will be like being with your twin flame, your soulmate. Kaya kung ba parang ito yun eh, parang inaano sa'yo, pangarapin mo yung future mo. Kasi kung ang future nga is to be with your soulmate or your twin flame, then it's something else, really, Aqua. Kasi hindi nga lahat nakakapag-experience nito in this lifetime. Baka sa next lifetime pa. But it says here, next year. So there's a possibility na baka talagang mag-meet na kayo ng yung twin flame mo, yung soulmate mo, and then you start to have that union, no? Yung pagsasama na yon. Malay mo, something talaga, I don't know, I don't want to make any prediction, but what I'm saying here, andito kasi yung Wheel of Fortune, siya yung nagsasabi na magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Iikot yung gulong ng palad. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa iyo, Aqua. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.